from Italy.
This one your machine.
Yes.
150,000.
Yes.
Yeah, good.
Italy.
Yeah, because I know this is expensive. And total. This one total, huh?
Yes.
50.
Yeah. Yes, 50.
Yeah, 50.
Everything.
Everything.
Yes.
Coffee, table. How many table?
กี่ชุดวะจ่ายเลยอ่ะ I don't sure.
Okay, this is good price.
Yes.
Very good, huh? Same you, like you open for you. Okay. When I can see. I don't go. I didn't go yesterday. I go central, but
No.
maybe I go today. Now.
It's okay, yes.
Can I walk or take taxi? It's far.
Taxi.
It's far.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think ประมาณ2 กิโล
2 kilo. 2 kilo. I can walk 2 kilo, but it's hot now. Yeah. Okay. Please put location. I want to go to check. Location.
English อะไรเนี่ย English
You want Thailand? English?
English, yes. Secret fresh coffee.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. Secret fresh coffee.
This is your coffee.
Yes.
Same.
Yes. Same bot.
Same.
Small na, but I move. I
Yeah.
cut same 2 made and not 2 and 3 made before.
Before
Yeah.
was bigger, huh?
Yes, big cut.
And this from the wood, all wood. Yeah.
Good.
And you
Before I
okay.
have tini like this.
Mm.
Yes, I move. Have owner talk about with me. Want me cut 2 made and
Yeah,
3
because
made.
the door.
Yes.
That's why you cut. Okay.
Yes.
And table you have outside also? No, here not allowed, huh?
Yeah.
Table? Only there, huh?
ใช่ค่ะ
Table.
A table. Oh, a table only have.
Where? How many? This you.
Yes.
For you.
For me.
Oh, good.
And a table here.
Yeah, I see.
Over there. Outside. Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
And this one what? Shop? This one hotel?
Hotel. Yes,
Hotel, huh?
hotel.
Very good.
Yes.
Hello.
Good.
Good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, what's your name?
Gig.
Kik. Nice to meet you, Kik.
Gig. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Bye.